Mhm. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Oh. I've been standing at this crossroads for too long, carrying these burdens I was never meant to hold alone. Every door I knock on feels like silence in return. Every tear I'm hiding feels like another lesson learned. I've prayed till my voice was trembling in the night. I've held on to promises with barely any strength to fight. Lord, you see what's breaking me somehow. I need you, please come through for me now. Lord, come through for me now. I can't take it anymore. I've reached the end of my strength. I'm falling to the floor. If you don't step in right now, I don't know how I'll stand. So I'm lifting empty hands. Lord, come through for me now. Hey, I've smiled through the pain so no one sees the war, but inside I'm crying out like never before. Every breath feels heavy, every step feels slow, but I still believe you're near, even when I don't know. You've been my shelter in the hardest day, my only light when I lost my way. I'm holding on to what you said somehow, that you would never leave me. Ooh. So Lord, come through for me now. I can't take it anymore. I've done all that I know to do. I'm standing at your door. If you don't move in this moment, I don't know how I'll stand. So I'm lifting empty hands. And come through for me now. I remember all the times you made a way. When it looked impossible, you turned my night to day. You parted seas, you healed my scars. You met me where I was. So even now when hope feels thin, I choose to trust you once again. I may be weak, but you're able somehow. That's why I'm calling. Lord, come through for me now. If you don't show up, I don't know what I'll do. I know who you are, and I know you're true. You're the God who answers when no one can, the God who lifts me when I can't stand. I'm not letting go, I'm staying right here, even through the doubt, even through the fear. I'm trusting you, I'm bowing down. Lord, come through for me now. Lord, come through for me now. I'm prepared to go. I've cried all the tears my heart can pour. If you don't move in place, I don't know how I'll stand. So I'm lifting empty hands. Lord, come through for me now. I've been standing at this crossroads far too long, carrying these burdens I was never meant to hold alone. Every door I knock on feels like silence in return. Every tear I'm hiding feels like another lesson learned. I've prayed till my voice was trembling in the night. I've held on to promises with barely any strength to fight. Lord, you see what's breaking me somehow. I need you, please come through for me now. Lord, come through for me now. I can't take it anymore. I've reached the end of my strength. I'm falling to the floor. If you don't step in right now, I don't know how I'll stand. So I'm lifting empty hands. Lord, come through for me now. I've smiled through the pain so no one sees the war, but inside I'm crying out like never before. Every breath feels heavy, every step feels slow, but I still believe you're near, even when I don't know. You've been my shelter in the hardest days, my only light when I lost my way. I'm holding on to what you said somehow, that you would never leave me, yeah. So Lord, come through for me now. I can't take it anymore. I've done all that I know to do. I'm standing at your door. If you don't move in this moment, I don't know how I'll stand. So I'm lifting empty hands. Lord, come through for me now. I remember all the times you made a way. When it looked impossible, you turned my night to day. You parted seas, you healed my scars. You met me where I was. So even now when hope feels thin, I choose to trust you once again. I may be weak, but you're able somehow. That's why I'm called. Lord, come through for me now. If you don't show up, I don't know what I'll do, but I know who you are and I know you're true. You're the God who answers when no one can, the God who lifts me when I can't stand. I'm not letting go, I'm staying right here, even through the doubt, even through the fear. I'm trusting you, I'm bowing down. Oh Lord, come on. I can't take it anymore. I've cried all the tears my heart can pour.